think Ronan's trying to put a bow on that cat's head. No, don't interrupt him. I want to take a video and see what he's doing. Look, he's putting, now Logan's in the way. He's putting a bow.
Lolo.
It's quite nice of him to put the bow on the cat's head, but it seems to be confusing at the same time.
No, sit. Logan, sit.
Ronan, can I show this to your girlfriends when you grow up?
No.
Oh dear. Where are you going? Oh. Do you need help putting the bow on the kitty cat's head?
Look at Logan.
What are you guys doing?
He's trying to touch me. Logan!
Yeah, you did an awesome job, dude. I'm very proud. Oh, is that a happy dance? I am very proud of you. That looks great. That's fabulous. It is. Oh, yeah. You're excited. You did a great job. Your dad is so proud. Oh, dear. What happened? Did it fall off? Oh, there. Yeah.
You want to make scissors? I can help. Dad did that. Throw this to there. The dogs like their bed I gave them. I got to do it. Lolo. Come on.
Yes! Was that success, dude? Oh, such a nice kitty. You want to give the kitty a kiss? Can you give the kitty a kiss? You want to give a kitty a kiss? You got whiskers. You want to give it a kiss? Kiss? Look, right here.
Look at my special dog bed.
That's your brother's pillow.
I know.
You still working on that, dude?
Lolo, come on. Come here, Lolo. Here comes Lolo. Come here.
I think he's scared of us for right now.
He's not scared of us.
What are you doing? You have some drool on your face there. What are you doing? Here, look. Let's scoot down over here. There you go. Yes, that's very nice.
Who wants to have a pray?
Wait, off. I'm trying to videotape your brother putting a bow on the kitty cat's head. Please stop. Now he's getting on the couch with the kitty cat. Maybe that will help him. Do you think you can get the bow on a little bit better if you guys are hanging out together on the couch? It's a complicated bow. Please stop. Your sister's trying to steal your thunder here. Well, I don't know, honey.
I want to see the picture how I'm doing this.
No.
Oh, man.
Well, it's kind of impossible, Skylar. How can you see it while you are touching his head? Should we show this to his girlfriends when he grows up? Want to give the kitty a kiss? Oh, so nice. You want to give the kitty a kiss? Can you give him a kiss? Mwah. Give him a kiss. Mwah. Can you give that mwah kisses? Oh, you fell down.
They just gave the cat and you a kiss. Do you like that? Do you like the picture better?